Good morning, everybody. A little Sunday morning trains and, of course, coffee. Hope you enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed those couple of run bys. A couple of things that are going on the layout right now. This section here had a creek in it, and the water had bubbled terribly bad. But so I had ripped it all out, and I'm in the process of redoing it right now. Obviously, it doesn't look fantastic as is, but it's getting there. Won't be long; it'll be ready to pour some water in it, but also need to add some more vegetation and some tufts and then we'll figure out what other details we want to put in around it. Maybe a little more of the big rock. We'll see where it goes from there, and not sure when the next update on the creek will be, but I've been kind of going slow on it. So we'll see where that goes, and let's go see what else is new on the layout. Yeah, for a long time on the layout, this BLMA billboard had just been leaning up against this bridge. And in this picture, you can see I've added an extension to the pole, and the reason it had been leaning up there was because it was actually too short as was. So I added an extension to the pole. The little piece of wood sticking out the bottom is obviously to plant it into the scenery. Had the Bow Brothers sign on one side, which I like. I'm going to keep that. The other side had the just the generic BLMA products billboards that was on it. I just recently decided I wanted to do something different, so I took that off and kind of made something different with it here. And this is actually ready to install. So you know, if you're a Chick-fil-A fan, obviously you'll recognize this billboard. Pulled a couple of cows off the farm, and we put them obviously I need to put a little bracing in there to hold that straight up, but I think that's going to be pretty cool right there. We'll eat more chicken action, folks. So that's the couple of latest things there. You know, we saw the train run by. Is the a lot of, you know, another typically run a big mix of cars here, and this BNSF 60-foot box, the 50-foot TTX car, and the 50-foot BN car there are all old. I don't know if they were Hubert shops, LBF, whatever, but I recently added body mount couplers to those, something I've not done before. And they seem to run well and do good, so I'm happy with that. My next update is this field right here is going to get something new, and that's going to be a surprise, and we'll save that for another video. But anyway, that's all the latest updates for now. So next time I have something for you guys, I'll shoot up another update. Maybe we'll close out this video with a couple of different sets of power on run-bys here. So we'll close out this video with one more run-by with a all boxcar train, and something I haven't tried before, and that's running a DPU. So here we go. Enjoy. That was a Cato SD70 Ace on the point and the Scale Train C44 on the tail. And I haven't speed matched those locomotives. It just happened to run perfect together. So if you watched all the way to the end, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. See y'all later.